Right people, so we're on the way to pick up a GTI. I know this video might come to a bit of a surprise to some of you guys, just with side as well. We're in the GTD. There's loads of golfs in this video, but yeah, I know this video might be a bit confusing for some of you lot. You're probably thinking, because you will have seen it in the title already, we're picking up a Mark 5 GTI. It's a new sort of project car. It's a high mile one as well. I'm specifically wanted a high mileage car. I'll sort of explain all of that when we pick it up. We're just in like Worcestershire or something like that. It's all nice and hilly out here, GTI roads basically. Essentially, like, I'm taking inspiration a bit from, like, you know how you watch some like car throttle videos and like some of them US guys like Tavares and all of them. So I've always wanted to buy like a cheaper high mileage car as like a project, see how long it lasts and stuff like that. So we're gonna do everything to this thing, but yeah, we'll explain all of that stuff as we go along. Now we're basically just heading towards the guy's house. We'll pick you up and then yeah, we'll show you guys the car. Some of you guys thought I was gonna get an EP3 Type R. Now that was a sort of consideration, but yeah man, I'm kind of a German car focused kind of channel, so GTI work better. Look, we're even in a Golf right now, so I'm pretty sure that says enough. Alright, so the car should be at the end of this road. It looks like we're literally doing a rally course, but you guys know about the sort of stuff I like. You know that I like this sort of dirt, messy roads anyway. So the GTI has been going up this road every day for the last 6 or 7 years. But yeah, there are a few little bits to do on this car. It's not a perfect car, but that is the whole point of a project. So we are going to split into a few different videos, so you'll get all the information about what the hell we're doing today. Alright guys, so there it is, the GTI. Alright people, alright, so here we are, Mark 5 GTI, come down to the GTD. Yeah, this is basically a new project car from the channel. Thought we'd get that straight out there. 56 plate car with nearly 200,000 miles. Now I know some of you guys might be a bit confused, thinking what on earth are you doing? I have actually paid for the car now and I've signed everything away, so it is officially my car now. Yeah, see how long it lasts basically. We'll make some bets on the channel now. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, I know I normally do reviews, but I sort of took inspiration from, like, say like Car Throttle's done these high mileage challenges, and people just love cheap cars on YouTube now, so I thought I'd do something like that, but also keep it in a way that it sort of fits in with the channel. So GTI, Volkswagen Group, works nicely. It's a high mileage car on purpose though. I didn't want a car with like 100k miles because it doesn't really grab attention as much. Now in terms of money, the amount I paid for this car, paid £2,000. Now to some of you guys might think that 2,000 is either good or bad, but 56 plate GTI with a lot of maintenance done, stuff like DSG oil changes, cam belts done twice on it because of the mileage, water pump's been done. Essentially had everything done mainly to keep it on the road because the owner did used to use it for work. But yeah man, it's a bit strange I've actually bought the car now. But yeah, in terms of the car itself, some of the spec it's got on it. It's Mark 5 GTI as you expect, 2 litre turbo, around 200 horsepower. This one's in that steel grey colour, so it's quite smart. With the standard Mark 5 alloys, red calipers. There are bits of wear on it. I am going to go over that in a separate video. You know, I can't give you guys everything in one because I've got to give you guys a little breakdown of the sort of common issues you get with the Mark 5. It is a bit dirty, but it's to be expected. Inside got black leather, DSG as well, heated seats too. As you can hear, the idle is very nice and quiet. At the moment it's in our 187k. I know. Now I know some of you guys might be thinking that's not 200k. It's close enough, you gotta round it up a bit, but you know, hopefully it does get to 200k. I actually deliberately wanted a high mileage car. I didn't really want too much of a clean one because some people did offer me cars with low mileage for around 3.5 grand, but I actually specifically wanted a high mileage car. I know to some of you guys it might sound a bit crazy, but yeah, I just wanted to do like a high mileage project. We may take this to a track eventually once we've done all the checks. I'm hoping to do a full detailed video going over, you know, the bits underneath and just checking all the sort of bushings and suspension, because we are going to change a lot of that out because a car of this age and the sort of life it's lived, it needs to be done. But yeah, hopefully we might get it mapped up as well, depending on the feeling I get for it. I mean, so far the idle is pretty nice and quiet. We are gonna have to check stuff like the cam follower and stuff like that, so there are a few design faults with this engine, but like I said, we'll leave that all to a separate video. Today is just like a collection. It's even got winter tires, man. You guys know I love winter tires, man, and the car's grey as well, so only made sense to pick this one up. But yeah, it just feels really strange right now, man. I actually bought this car. We're in it now, in the game, high mileage GTI. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram as well. It should be on the screen right now. I'll keep you guys posted on there as well in terms of what I'm doing. We could give this car a name as well. Give it, I don't know, whatever. Put in the comments what you think it should be called. It's the high mile GTI for now, but it come up with something a bit more interesting. It might be cool, and you never know, if this does well or people like this car, we could do more projects in the future. I know I do reviews as well, but I'm thinking we might do, say, one GTI video a week, so like a project follow-up, and then one review a week to keep the sort of schedule going. But yeah, this is basically like a new sort of direction for the channel. We'll see how it goes anyway, see how long it lasts. But yeah, man, I got all of this magnificence for £2 basically. Heated leather seats, DSG. I did initially think to get a manual because I thought I'd avoid any DSG issues, but whilst this car has got 187k at the moment, or 200k, you know, we'll call it 200k, it has had a DSG oil change by a main dealer every 45k. If I just reach back here, this is literally the amount I've got like loads of invoices. This is just some of them. The owner has kept it very tip top. 2 keys as well. The other keys here, might have changed it over to a Mark 7 key. But yeah, any sort of ideas you guys have, put it in the comments. Also subscribe as well if you want to keep up to track with this. There might be some new viewers as well watching, so if you're a bit confused what on earth is going on, this is like a little project car I'm doing from now on, or for the short term. Never know, might last long, it might last for ages. Never know how people like these things, so doing that and the reviews as well. Got winter tires on it, so you never know, might hit some snow in it too, never know. But the exhaust and stuff like that is all going to get changed. Hopefully try and work with a few companies to see how it goes. But yeah, what we'll do, I'll give you guys a little bit of a cinematic thing now, then yeah, we'll go take it for a drive. Right folks, so in the GTI, thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a drive. Won't do too much detailed stuff in this video because I want to keep it short and snappy about the collection. I was a bit confused earlier, you guys might see it on my face, because I was just thinking, yo, I've actually bought a GTI with this many miles on it. I know some of you lot might be thinking, oh, back windows, man, no, buffeted noise. Some of you guys might be thinking like, what on earth is happening, yeah? Because like 1 minute you're reviewing a car and the next minute you're buying a GTI with 187k on the clock. Rounded up to 200k, you know, for good measure. Yeah, it's like a new project thing. Some people did think that I was going to get an EP3 Type R, because if you don't follow me on Instagram, we did a little bit of a poll and stuff like that to just get an idea of what people thought I was going to go for. Because I did say I was going to pick up a project, but I never said it was going to be like a cheap car project. So this is probably along the lines of what some of you guys thought, Mark 5 GTI, but this many miles I don't think anyone saw it coming. But hopefully everything will get done with this. Like, we're not going to keep it standard. You know, keeping in mind it has got high mileage, but like I do a full like health check, everything going on, like change suspension out. If all is good, we might take it on a track. If all is good. But yeah, we'll just see how it goes, to be honest. It does pull nicely because the DSG has been looked after. It's 200 horsepower, so you can't expect it to be like, you know, super car fast, but with the remap they do pretty good. We might take it to a very well-known Volkswagen Group specialist to get it tuned. Working on that right now. I've always wanted to do a cheap car, sort of, well, cheap relative, but something that's a bit more obtainable for everyone, you know, because I don't look at cars because of their value, like in terms of, oh, this is expensive so it must be good. Mark 5 GTI is like a proper hot touch. It kind of brought the buzz back to the GTI, so that's basically the plan with this. Have a bit of fun and see how long it lasts. Taking bets as well in the comments, how long you think it's going to last. Yeah, if the turbo goes, we might just stick a little KO4 on it or something like that, who knows. High mile GTI is here. You can even use a hashtag if you want, I don't mind. Right, so I think we're going to hop out here. I'm going to jump out. I want to hear the car on the outside. Side's going to do a couple of flybys in the 200,000 mile GTI. Take it easy, yeah. Right, we seem to be in the middle of nowhere right now. Very nice. Right, go for it, mate. Sounds like a price, mate. Beast is coming back. Let's hope the turbo doesn't go on it. I don't actually know about the oh, we've got sheep as well making a lot of noise. I don't actually know how this video's turning out. It might seem like a complete mess. I'm just thinking about what I gotta do now that I've bought this thing. So yeah, stay tuned for a lot more videos to come. Mate, the GTD that we came in is louder than that. Right, cars here. Not too rattly as well, innit? What do you reckon? It's decent, innit? It's not hugely powerful, but can't really complain. I do like the interior though. It looks like it's only had one person sitting in it, innit? Yeah, look at that. The wheels, there's no tears or nothing like that. Black leather. The back of it, just for a 56 plate car, it's not too bad. The DSG change is alright as well, isn't it? It's not too bad. The gears, like, they change fine, to be fair. There's no, like, you know, hesitance or anything like that. Heated seats and everything. This head unit, I don't know what's going on here. That might need to go. Yeah, it's got CarPlay though, so I might leave it for a bit. The rest is typical Mark 5 Golf, to be honest. There's just so much you can do with these. So that is the plan. There's no armrest though, which is kind of long. Right people, so back at home now. GTI's parked where it is going to be parked for a lot of the time in these videos, but it is a running car, so we are going to take it for drives here and there. But basically I wanted to give you guys an idea quickly before the end of the video on my plans with it. Mainly it's like a sort of high mileage challenge kind of thing. We're going to see how this thing copes, see if it lasts as well. But yeah, I want to do videos like dyno days and, you know, to see what sort of stuff's wrong with it. I'm going to do the next video on the things bad with the car, you know, like everything wrong with my GTI, stuff like that. It is nearly 200,000 miles, so it's not perfect. Paid £2,000 for it, so can't really expect too much. But it's just, it matches the M2 nicely, so I mean, grey with winter tyres seem to be just the right one suited for me. But yeah guys, make sure you subscribe as well to the channel to keep up to date with the videos going forward. We are still going to do reviews, but we might do, let's say, one review a week and say one GTI video a week. Maybe break it up like that. You could get in the comments as well and let me know how you want it done. We are going to do like an inspection video in terms of like see exactly what's up with it, because I'll do the next video showing you some of the bits that were I could tell straight away that's wrong with it. Then we're going to get it up on a ramp as well soon and definitely get it on the dyno. I want to see how much power it's lost. The GED that we went to pick up the car in, we done a little rolling race on the way back. Wasn't too much of a difference, which is good. I'm glad. But yeah, definitely stay tuned for the next video anyway. It should be up maybe the next couple of days. Yeah, like I said, follow me on Instagram as well so you can keep up to date with all of that stuff. And yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one.